How to change your Netflix country. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your Netflix country or region. So, before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get back into it. First thing you'll need to do is head over to your App Store and simply install a VPN. So install a VPN because we'll be using VPN to change the country. So download whichever VPN that you think is the best, or if you don't know, I'm just using this VPN right now. It's called Super Unlimited Proxy. Open that up and set up a VPN. All you have to do is tap on this button and it will start connecting. You can change the location from this place right here. You can choose the location and there we go, you have just connected to a VPN, and then now you can go ahead and use your Netflix. And that's how easy it is to change the country on your Netflix, guys. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.